Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Welcome back to another video on this channel. See, whenever I pick up my camera, I'm quite excited because I know I've been away for a while from the channel, and see, don't blame me guys, don't blame me. A lot, like I always say, is going on. Yes, but without wasting much time, let's just go right into today's video. Yes, to all who have been patient on this channel with me, thank you so much. I've been seeing my subscribers fluctuating here and there. Where people going to, where people coming from. Anyway, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for always coming, stopping by. And if you're a new subscriber here, you're welcome to my space. My name is Joy and I'm the queen of this space, okay? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please click that subscribe button. Bang that button. Bang, bang, bang. Please don't break your phone, no. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, you know there's a lot going on right now in Nigeria relating to students, and this video is just for Nigerian students out there. This is my video I'm using to advise all students are sitting at home doing nothing. This is the time for you to get something doing. Go and acquire a skill. Go and empower yourself, because if you finish school, you see, they say it will not be Asuu strike again. No, it will not be waiting for job. So you need to watch this video. This video is very important for every youth out there who is at home as a result of the Asuu strike. Because of one thing or the other, you just found yourself at home. Please, this is the time for you to acquire a skill. Go and empower yourself. So in this video, I'll share with us some certain skills you can learn anytime Nigeria decides to go on a strike or they decide to go on a break and you are at home. Please go and learn these skills. It will help you in a long run. It will help you so much, because in Nigeria, it's as if our life as youth is already planned. Because after you're done with school, depending on the program you studied, you are now preparing yourself for NYSC. From NYSC, for those who are in the medical field, you are thinking of going for your internship or your housemanship or something. So in Nigeria, everything's already planned for you, the youths, okay? So if you want to, take back your future, take back your destiny in your hands, okay, like hold it, because everybody is under God. Our lives are controlled under God. But what I mean is, if you want to have everything in your hands, see, it's possible for you to be self-employed even from your university days. You create a job for yourself and you begin to even employ other people. So one of those skills are people to go and learn. One of those things you can use to empower yourself, whether you're a guy or you're a girl, whichever one, there is no limit. You can do anything. Instead of resorting to Yahoo, resorting into some of these illegal things, no. Please try these skills. One of them is baking. If you are good with home chores, if you are good with cooking and all this, you can go into bake confectionaries. You can think of cooking for parties, think of cooking for whichever area you think you can do. In the area of baking, you can decide to become a caterer. You can decide to bake cakes. People do parties, people do birthdays. There's nobody who doesn't love to celebrate his birthday, and nobody wants to celebrate her birthday or his birthday just like that. They use cake to celebrate birthdays. You can empower yourself in that area, okay? Recently, I saw a lady who barbs hair online, and I was really impressed. It looked, to some people it looks weird, but to me, I really felt she took her destiny in her hand, okay? Now that she's at home, you can see what she's doing just to help herself as a student, and there's no how she's making money. There's no how she will also not make money on campus. And there's one thing that she said that caught my attention. She was like, for the fact that she's even a girl, barbing her hair makes her even get a lot of customers, even though some people raise eyebrows like, can this girl really do this? But we can see her styles, we can see the things she does, the barbing skill, the designs and everything. You can give that a try, whether you're a lady or a girl. See, barbing is not just for a girl or a guy, it's for anyone can do it. So yes, barbing is one of them. Like hairdressing, you can learn to make hair. It's not everybody, yes, people can make hair, just make hair, but there are people that are really practitioners in making hair. They are experts. When you see them, they work with joy, and you see this thing in them, they are doing it very well. So you can give that a try as well. I see guys who also make hair. I see girls also make it. So it's not just limited to a particular gender. Any gender can try all these skills. Another skill is, now these are things that are giving people big time jobs offline and online. See, digital marketing, graphic designing, these are two separate things, but really they are really helpful. They are really giving people more than 3 figures, more than 6 figures. See, if you only know how to do these games very well, if you know how to play your cards well. Digital marketing is an awesome platform for you to generate income, and also graphic designing. People, websites, web design, and all this is coding. There are people now who are teaching their children from little to learn all the codings and all, which is very good. Empower your children from now, because as they grow older, they don't need to wait for somebody to put food on their table. When I finished my GSS, I think GS1 to GS3, my mom had to push me to go and learn how to sew. She pushed me like, you must learn it. You must not sit at home. There's this long vacation we get after GSS3 or so. So she was like, instead of staying at home, go and learn how to sew. Until the next exam comes for you to go to a senior secondary. So I learned how to sew. I also learned how to, I did computer operations as well. This, they formed me, though I've not started generating so much money, but I know I made hair back then in school for a little change. I can do some baking. I can try some baking. I love to cook as well. One of my favorite passion. I love cooking. I love trying my hands on different meals. See, I love to cook, apart from the fact that every woman should know how to cook. But see, I love to cook. I like cooking. So I have not given it a try yet to start maybe doing it as a profession or something, but you can try it. Another skill is, in Nigeria here, these are things that are workable. This styling, screeding, learning how to paint. Ladies are doing this thing, guys are doing it, okay? Even the ladies are doing it more. The screeding, the POP. This POP is for I think it's a kind of roofing. It's a kind of roofing for houses. Painting, screeding, tiling. All these things are very, very good. Don't look down on yourself. Don't say, why would I do this kind of job? A whole me, University of Ibadan. A whole me, University of Lagos. Like, what should I go and do? Stay there. When you finish school, you hold the certificate in your hand and you don't have anything to show for it, okay? You need vocation, you need these skills like in your hands, because it will feed you in a long run, honestly. The money they will give you NYC, it will help you, but that is not, it's for just a year, and that is all. How much will it save me? But this little ones you get here and there, you gather it up, it's really go a long way for you. There are many other skills you can learn on, like browse here. You can start YouTubing. If you're good in writing, if you're good with talking, you can start, a public platform where you teach people like YouTube here. And you can also start writing. You know how to write, you write. With time you start generating income. If you know how to coach people, you use a post for, you can volunteer to do certain things. Before you can just lay your hands on so many things. I'm advising this because people are now, so many things are going on in the news. Our children are at home because of this. They are giving themselves into one problem or the other. This is not time for you to go and learn how to steal, or go and learn how to prostituting here and there because you're at home, you don't have money, so you have to give yourself to get. Don't do that. Please don't do it, because at the end of the day, you tarnish your future. Unwanted person is waiting, sickness here and there, but it's not our portion in Jesus' name. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please check YouTube here. You can see so many skills you can learn. We are always there to push each other, okay? So if you have any question, you can drop your questions in the comment section. I'll always be there. I'm always reading my comments, okay? Let's also know that there are guidelines. We should mind the kind of words we use. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.